The EG-654 2-channel Chrome Series wireless keypad has a working range of up to 300 feet and is only compatible with the EG-650 and EG-652 receivers. First, hold button A for 2 seconds. At this point, the LED number 1 will turn red. Next, enter your old 6-digit passcode followed by button A. If you are programming your keypad for the first time, use code 000000 followed by button A. At this point, LED numbers 1 and 2 will turn red. Now, enter your new 6-digit passcode followed by button A. LED numbers 1, 2, and 3 will light up. Finally, enter your new 6-digit passcode again followed by button A. LED numbers 1, 2, and 3 will flash twice and turn off, which means you have successfully created your new passcode. Please follow the same instructions when creating your passcode for channel B. Just replace all actions involving button A with button B. To sync your EG-654 keypad to your Eagle operator, locate the Eagle Chrome Series receiver. Press and release the black Learn button on the receiver. Doing so, the LED will turn from green to red. Enter your 6-digit passcode on the keypad, followed by the A button. Enter the 6-digit passcode for the second time, followed by the A button. The red LED will flash and turn back to green, which means the keypad is now properly programmed. Please follow the same instructions when syncing your keypad for channel B. Just replace all actions involving button A with button B.